Well, I guess I'm coming out of my semi-retirement, and we're going to watch the Birds of Prey trailer that came out today. Normally, I'd like to do this on YouTube, but it's not on YouTube yet, so we're gonna do it on Twitter. And one of the reasons I like to do it on YouTube is I prefer. I'm more familiar with it. I prefer, and you can also adjust the clarity. But here it is. Actually just released a minute ago on their official Twitter site, and it looks like something super violent just happened. Anyways, let's get into this, shall we?
You know what a harlequin is? A harlequin's role is to serve. It's nothing without a master. No one gives two shits who we are beyond that. The Joker and I broke up. I wanted a fresh start. But it turns out I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation.
Spectacular news! Miss Quinn, she belongs to me.
Who are you guys?
Here's the deal, Quinn. You need me!
He's after all of us now. None of us are walking out of here unless we work together.
You gotta be kidding me.
Isn't this fun? It's just like a sleepover. We should order pizza. Hey, Cosmos. Harley, focus. Okay. I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you. Not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley freaking Quinn.
Who's having a good time?
Get ready, ladies. Chick. I never call a woman a chick. I'll accept broad, lady, woman, and on occasion, bitch. Bitch? What are you talking about? That for me, will you?
Alright, so exactly what I feared happened. She broke some guy's knees by jumping on them and hyperextending them. Ouch. Ouch. Anyway, so yeah, a lot. Alright, I'm working on my ability to react to videos because I think a lot of things, but I don't share them as I think them. So basically, you're just looking at my face, whatever, but it doesn't benefit any of us if I don't get what's in here to come out of here. But anyway, so we'll try that again. Let's watch it again.
You know what a harlequin is? A harlequin's role is to serve. It's nothing without a master. No one gives two shits who we are beyond that.
I wonder if Harley is known by Community. And also
The Joker and I broke up. I wanted a fresh start. But it turns out I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation.
Spectacular news! Miss Quinn, she belongs to me.
Who are you guys?
Belongs to me.
That's his life.
Miss Quinn, she belongs to me.
Who are you guys?
Miss Quinn, she belongs to me.
I'm trying to make it look like that, but is that
Who
really
are you
black
guys?
and white?
Here's the deal, Quinn. You need me!
He's after all of us now. None of us should order pizza. Hey, Cosmos. Harley, focus.
I got
It's just like a
sense
sleepover.
when
We should order pizza.
You gotta be kidding me.
Alright, that's definitely not Zaz. Victor Zaz.
Isn't this fun? It's just like a sleepover.
Poor hapless
We
henchman.
should order pizza. Hey, Cosmos. Harley, focus. I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you. Not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley freaking Quinn.
Who's having a good time?
Get ready, ladies. Oh, you're that psycho chick. I never call a woman a chick. I'll accept broad, lady, woman, and on occasion, bitch. Bitch? What are you talking about? For me?
Yeah.
Oh, you're that psycho chick. I never call a woman a chick. I'll accept broad, lady, woman, and on occasion, bitch. Bitch? What are you talking about? For me, will you?
Alright, looks a bit cartoony like that. Like who used dynamite anymore? But anyways, also that little Asian girl in the comics, obviously this is not the comics, but in the comics, she is an assassin, a trained assassin from birth. Daughter of somebody named, I believe. Oh, actually, I don't remember what his first name is, but something Kane. And Lady Shiva, who was like the number one fighter in the DC on DC Earth. But anyways, she's trained to be a killer, and she doesn't actually even talk. So she doesn't seem to have any kind of skill or training in this movie, and she's talking. So they obviously are going in a completely different direction. Just like Black Mask isn't wearing a black mask, but apparently he still has his penchant for torturing people because we are kind of introduced to him with 3 people hanging upside down, Predator style, but they're alive and they look like they're about to be tortured. Maybe they're probably being interrogated, because if the plot leak is correct that something was stolen from him that he wants to retrieve back, these are probably people that he suspects either did it or know something, and he's going to torture them to get the information, also to just, entertain himself. But yeah, this definitely looks interesting. It definitely evokes a lot of different vibes from a lot of different things, like Dick Tracy, Suicide Squad, Black Swan, just a whole bunch of different things. And it looks like it's solidly in the DC extended universe. So it's too bad that Warner Brothers did not support Zack Snyder and David Ayer in the beginning, but maybe they're turning a leaf and they're supporting and protecting their creatives now, which better late than never, but hopefully that will actually have some retroactive effects and they will release the freaking Snyder Cut. And after they do that, they'll release the David Ayer cut, which he intended for Suicide Squad, and stop trying to freaking chase the fair weather public general audience dollars. Anyways, those are my thoughts. Share yours with me down below wherever you see this, on YouTube or Instagram or wherever, and like, comment, subscribe, and give me some pointers how to be a better YouTuber. Thanks. Release the Snyder Cut.